After a pay deal was agreed with the 4 rail trade unions, ScotRail is really pleased to be able to return to the operating of a full and regular timetable for our customers. From this Monday, the 7th of October, we will be restoring the service that was in operation before the temporary timetable was introduced in July. Reintroducing a full timetable is no easy task, but we know how important this is to our customers, and we've worked really hard to reinstate a regular service in a very short space of time. In advance of the full timetable being reintroduced on Monday, we're encouraging customers to check the most up-to-date timetable information, which is available on the Journey Planner via the ScotRail app or website. We know it's been a difficult few months for our customers and our staff, and we thank everyone for their patience. We really look forward to returning to a normal service from Monday. Please remember to check out the ScotRail website for information on savings available through our season tickets and Flexipass, which will provide excellent value for money.